How to use the built-in hearing test on your BTE Bluetooth hearing aids. Start by opening the app on your phone. Make sure your hearing aids are turned on and connected via Bluetooth. Tap the Hearing Check tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Before you begin, make sure to check all the boxes. You're in a quiet place. Your hearing aids are connected. Your hearing aids are fitted properly in your ears. If you already have an audiogram or past hearing test, you can upload the results. Tap Import your own audiogram. Adjust the decibel levels on the graph to match your test results. The app will show you an audiogram style graph. Simply copy the values from your test into the corresponding points. When you're done, tap Start Self-Fitting. The app will automatically adjust your hearing aids based on the data. If you don't have a test, you can take one using the app. Tap Start Hearing Check. The app will first check if your environment is quiet enough to proceed. Once you're cleared to start, you'll go through 5 frequencies: 4,000 Hz, 3,000 Hz, 2,000 Hz, 1,000 Hz, 500 Hz. For each frequency, use the decibel slider at the top to adjust the volume. If it's too loud, slide it down. If you can't hear it, slide it up. Once you hear the tone clearly but softly, tap OK. Repeat this for each frequency in both ears. After completing the test, tap Start Self-Fitting. The app will automatically personalize your hearing aids based on your results. You can redo the test or make adjustments anytime. Just return to the Hearing Check tab or fine-tune your settings in the Home tab.